Greetings viewers, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to talk about another article from Torque News. This article deals with Subaru Corporation's official joining to the Toyota group. So back around October, maybe a little earlier last year, Toyota increased their stake in the Subaru Corporation from around 16% to 20%. What will that mean for the future of Subaru? Hopefully good things, hopefully a lot of positive changes, hopefully not a ton of Toyota meddling in Subaru, but only the time will tell. So with this, what does that mean for the company? Hopefully it means that Subaru will get access to more Toyota technologies. From what I've heard from a lot of people, the issues with the FA engines with the variable valve timing, the valve springs, etc. was due to Toyota parts in the F-Series engine. Whether that's true or not, I don't know. This is word of mouth from Subaru techs that told me they're seeing a lot more failures from timing components and stuff than they were before Toyota and had gotten as much of a stake in the company. This could mean that all Subaru production models with direct fuel injection would get the Toyota D4S system on them. I can only hope. That would be a great thing for Subaru to help alleviate the issues with valve carboning on the direct fuel injection. Toyota developed this system and put it on the FRS, GT86, and BRZ models, but Subaru has not been able to put it on any model other than the BRZ so far. It would be great to see that technology brought across the entire product line for all the direct inject engines, and that would basically alleviate all the issues. There was talk of next year, 2021, being Subaru's first all-electric vehicle. We're probably going to see a lot of Toyota technology in that vehicle if it comes to fruition. We're probably going to see a lot more hybrid Subarus, probably sharing on Toyota's hybrid drive technology. Probably see some plug-in Subaru hybrids. I think we already have the Crosstrek hybrid, I think, is offered as a plug-in. I might be wrong, but I know there is the traditional hybrid model of the Crosstrek, which wasn't very efficient, but hopefully with Toyota's continued investment and acquisitioning of Subaru, I keep saying acquisitioning, they're not acquisitioning them, they're buying more stock in the company, more ownership, so they're not absorbing them yet. Hopefully they don't, but we will see. Time will tell. So what do you guys think? Do you think this is a good thing? Do you think this is a bad thing for Subaru? Do you think that this will bring Subaru back into better quality with their products? Seems in the last few years, in my opinion, that Subaru has lost their way, and they've lost their way pretty hard. They're not building the rock-solid, reliable cars of the 90s and 2000s. We're seeing a lot more issues. We're seeing, with the bringing in of the CVTs and all that good stuff, and more complexity in the actual infotainment systems, and more upscale design to the vehicles, and ballooning sizes of the vehicles. The Subaru is not what Subaru once was. Is this partly due to Toyota? Is it due to Subaru just trying to make as much money as they can and try to get into all these other markets and steal Toyota buyers and Honda buyers and Nissan buyers and GM buyers and Ford buyers, and they're trying to become more mainstream? I believe that's what it all boils down to, is the Outback ballooned up humongous to be more of an SUV rather than the station wagon it started as. Forester has gotten taller and wider to be more of an SUV. Impreza, WRX, all bigger cars are no longer a compact, although they weren't technically a compact, but they were a mid-size. They're almost a full-size sedan now. Legacy's huge. It's just not the Subaru I fell in love with, but I digress. So, again, what do you guys think? Is this a good thing for Subaru? Is it a bad thing for Subaru? Will Toyota bring the company back around? Will they completely destroy the company? What are your thoughts and feelings? Leave them in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one.